Did you know you can customize Google Maps to match your car's engine type? Whether you're driving an efficient hybrid, an electric vehicle, or a traditional gas car, this feature makes navigation smarter and more tailored to your ride. Start by opening the Google Maps app on your device. Make sure you have the latest version installed to access all the features. Next, tap your profile picture in the top right corner to open the menu. From there, scroll down and select Settings. Within the settings, look for the option called Your Vehicle and tap on it. Here, you'll see 4 choices: gas, diesel, hybrid, or electric. Simply select the engine type that matches your car. You've successfully customized Google Maps for your vehicle. This setting helps the app provide routes and suggestions tailored to your car type, making your drive even more efficient. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech and auto tips, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out. Thanks for watching.